The K-pop world is absolutely celebrating right now because NewJeans just achieved something that sends a powerful message to every predator targeting female idols. For the first time in recent history, we're seeing a complete legal victory that proves the system can protect our artists when they take a stand. What just happened will change how content creators think twice before crossing the line, and honestly, this couldn't have come at a better time. But before we dive into this incredible justice moment, if you want to stay updated on all the latest industry breakthroughs and legal victories like this one that actually protect our idols, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Typically, when female idols face harassment online, the cases drag on for years with minimal consequences for the perpetrators. The pattern has been frustratingly predictable. Disgusting content gets made, agencies file complaints, and somehow the creators disappear into the internet void without real accountability. But NewJeans and ADOR just completely shattered that cycle. On August 11, 2025, the Seoul Western District Court delivered a final ruling that awarded NewJeans a total of 29 million won, approximately $22,300, in damages against a YouTuber who sexually harassed the group through edited videos and malicious comments. What makes this victory even more incredible is the specificity and speed of justice. The court didn't just issue a generic ruling. They carefully calculated individual damages based on the severity of harassment each member faced. Minji, Hanni, and Danielle were each awarded 5 million won, about $3,850, while Haran and Hyun received 7 million won each, approximately $5,385. The fact that the court recognized different levels of impact on each member shows how seriously they took this case. And here's the part that proves this victory is ironclad. The perpetrator, identified as Mr. Shin, didn't even appeal the ruling, meaning it was finalized on July 22nd. He knew he had no defense. But here's where it gets absolutely insane. The details of what this predator did are exactly why this victory matters so much for the entire industry. Between April and May 2024, Mr. Shin operated 2 YouTube channels where he produced more than 20 sexually harassing videos by editing NewJeans stage performances and original content. He literally took the group's innocent song, Cookie, and altered the lyrics to vulgar sexual terms, changed "Greet brightly" to disgusting sexual references, and left obscene comments like, "I want to make her a mother of many children." This wasn't just casual hate. This was calculated, systematic harassment designed to sexualize and degrade these young women. This historic legal victory represents something much larger than just one case. For years, female idols have had to endure this kind of disgusting behavior while their agencies struggled to find effective legal recourse. But NewJeans and ADOR didn't just file complaints and hope for the best. They went for the maximum legal impact. In June 2024, they filed both a criminal complaint and a civil suit seeking 20 million won in damages per member, totaling 100 million won. While the final award was lower, the fact that they secured a complete legal victory with actual financial consequences sends a clear message to every content creator thinking about crossing the line. What makes this moment even more powerful is the timing. Right now, NewJeans is fighting their own battle with ADOR over contract disputes, having declared termination of their exclusive contracts last November and even announcing plans for independent activities under the name NJZ. Despite all the chaos in their professional lives, they still stood together to protect themselves and set a precedent for other female idols. They're proving that even when your career is uncertain, your dignity and safety are non-negotiable. The next mediation hearing for their contract validity lawsuit is scheduled for August 14th, but this legal victory shows they're not backing down from any fight. The ripple effects of this ruling are already being felt across the industry. Content creators who thought they could hide behind parody or commentary exemptions now know there are real financial consequences for harassment. The court's willingness to award substantial individual damages based on specific harm to each member creates a new legal framework that other agencies and idols can follow. This isn't just about NewJeans. This is about every female idol who's ever had to scroll past disgusting comments about their bodies, their personalities, or their worth as human beings. For the first time, there's a clear path to justice that actually works. This moment also highlights how much the K-pop industry has evolved in protecting its artists. 5 years ago, cases like this would disappear into legal limbo. But NewJeans' victory proves that agencies, courts, and the industry as a whole are finally taking harassment seriously as both a criminal and civil matter. The fact that Mr. Shin was hit with both criminal charges and financial damages creates a new standard for accountability that goes beyond just taking down videos or banning accounts. This is real, lasting consequences that will make predators think twice before targeting our idols. As we look toward the future, this legal victory will be remembered as a turning point for idol protection. NewJeans didn't just win money. They won dignity, respect, and a safer environment for every female artist who comes after them. They proved that, even in the middle of their own industry battles, they won't tolerate being sexualized or degraded by online predators. This is what real strength looks like, and this is why NewJeans continues to inspire fans worldwide even during uncertain times. The message is crystal clear: mess with our idols, face the consequences. What do you think about this groundbreaking legal victory? Is this the accountability moment the K-pop industry has been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe because this kind of justice deserves to be celebrated, and this precedent is going to change everything.